Welcome back. Today, we're going to explore how Montessori materials support handwriting development. In Montessori classrooms, handwriting isn't taught as an isolated skill. It's introduced through a sequence of hands-on experiences that build both readiness and enthusiasm. Children progress naturally from tracing shapes and letters to forming words, all while developing fine motor control, concentration, and independence. One of the first tools we use is called the sandpaper letters. Each letter is cut from rough sandpaper and mounted on a wooden board. Children trace the letters with their fingers while the guide pronounces the letter sound. This multisensory activity builds muscle memory and helps children internalize the shape of each letter, laying the groundwork for writing and literacy. Sandpaper letters are more than just tracing. They help children feel the letter and link it to its sound. This is especially powerful during the sensitive period for language. By the time children pick up a pencil, they already know the letter formations, reducing frustration and fostering confidence. Next, children work with metal insets. These 10 metal shapes help them refine hand control and strengthen muscles needed for writing. Tracing and coloring the shapes repeatedly teaches controlled, fluid hand movements while also introducing basic geometric forms. Metal insets bridge the gap between tactile letter tracing and writing with a pencil. They ensure children have the fine motor skills required to form letters neatly, making handwriting less frustrating and more enjoyable. After mastering letters and motor skills, children use the movable alphabet. This set of letters allows them to form words without writing them manually, helping to focus on spelling and word recognition. It's a powerful step towards becoming confident readers and writers. By removing the challenge of writing letters on paper, children can focus on arranging the letters to form words. This boosts their self-confidence and allows them to explore language creatively. They begin to see themselves as writers and readers, ready for more complex writing tasks. Handwriting skills developed through Montessori materials don't stop at preschool. In elementary, children write every day. Their strong foundation supports reading comprehension, writing proficiency, independence, and cognitive growth. Writing becomes a tool for self-expression and learning across subjects. Unlike some traditional schools, Montessori places a strong emphasis on handwriting as a meaningful skill. The materials and sequence of activities foster intrinsic motivation. Children learn to write not just as a mechanical skill, but as a form of personal expression, a foundation for lifelong learning and success. Montessori handwriting instruction is a thoughtful progression. Sandpaper letters for forming letters, metal insets for motor skills, movable alphabet for early literacy, and a strong foundation that carries into elementary and beyond. Each material and step is purposeful, setting children up for confident, independent writing. If you enjoyed this presentation, please be sure to like the video and follow us on all of our social media platforms for more content exploring Montessori philosophy, classroom practices, and the development of the whole child.